Craft to touch down in Accra, carrying the youngest French president, Emmanuel Macron, on a day's official working visit to Ghana. Welcoming him is President Akofu Addo, a leader keen on deepening ties with France and Ghana's French-speaking neighbors. The French leader is seeking to renew his country's relations with Africa, as well as give a boost to the crusade against migration and Islamic militancy in the Sahel region. His Ghana visit, considered historical because of its diplomatic and economic advantages, trade, investment, education and sports, and boasts 6 decades of relations with Ghana. The colors of France, blue, white and red, and that of Ghana draped at the Liberation Monument at the Independence Square in Accra. Both leaders are here to lay wreaths and light the perpetual flame in remembrance of the fight for liberation.
For us, this visit is truly, to use that much abused term, historic. For it is indeed the first time in our country's history that a president of the French Republic has set foot on Ghanaian soil. It is entirely appropriate that a Ghanaian leader, heir to the struggle of successive generations of Ghanaian patriots who have liberated our nation from foreign domination, should meet with a French leader, descendant of the progressive European people who affirmed to the world the timeless values of human solidarity, liberty, equality, fraternity. So we should meet here at the Independence Arch, symbol of our triumph over colonialism. Our nation is dedicated to building a civilization the equal of any on the face of the planet, on the principles of freedom and justice inscribed here on this arch. The relations between our two countries date back to several centuries, and 60 years ago, with the independence of Ghana, we established formal diplomatic ties, which have been the basis for strong and cordial cooperation between our two nations. As a country bordered to the north, east, and west by French-speaking countries, we recognize the strategic importance of our immediate neighbors and of France to the development of our country. We stand shoulder to shoulder with France in attempting to develop our economies, to provide opportunities for its citizens to fulfill their aspirations, especially the youth. We stand ready to renew and deepen our relations with France for the prosperity and progress of our two peoples.
It is a tremendous honor to start my visit in Ghana alongside the President on this very symbolic place and in this very symbolic year. Celebrating the 60th anniversary of your independence is not a side event. It is at the core of the new partnership I want to build with you, with Ghana, with Africa. France is stronger within Europe, and Ghana is stronger within ECOWAS and the African Union. Today, I want to echo Nkrumah's call and say that not only must Africa unite, but also that Europe and Africa must unite. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't think that we can succeed on a standalone basis. I don't think that France or Europe can succeed without Africa. And I don't think at all that a country like Ghana can succeed without a stronger Africa and a stronger partnership between Africa and Europe. I'm coming to you today to propose that we build together a common future for our children. Our two continents have a shared history, but today, what we have above all is a shared destiny.
It was